Hello YouTube. How are you today? Today I'm going to show you how to remove the rear center console trim cover of a Volkswagen Tiguan 2011 model. So as you can see, there's no cup tray in this trim cover. So I bought it without a cup holder like this. So what I did is I looked from eBay and then try to find one like this. So it's going to look nice, and also it has a 12 volts socket with a cover. So I'm going to show you how to remove it and replace. So with the use of trim removal tool like this, a plastic one, maybe hard plastic, not a chip one. So you can remove this AC vents now or after removing the whole trim cover, so it's up to you. If you wanna remove it while the trim cover is still in place, just pry it on top here, two sides, and then you can see there's a locking clip, metal clip, two metal clips on the top, and then slowly pry it out from the bottom, and then you can remove the AC vents. Okay, I don't know if you can see it properly, but those are the metal clips, those two clips. Okay, so once this one is removed, there are two, I think it's T30 screws, but you have to remove over here. So one here and one there. So I'll just try to remove it now. So there is the first screw. And there's the second one. And then you just need to lift like this, lift at the bottom, and then lift it upward, the whole trim cover. Okay, and you can see that these are the two holes. That's where the screws are fastened. Okay, before you lift that one, this trim cover, you have to disconnect this wire connector to the 12 volt socket. Okay, just need to press the plastic tab of the connector, press it downward, and then you pull it out. So yeah, that's how you remove this one. Now installing it back is the reverse procedure. Okay, so just gonna make sure there is a plastic metal clip connected to this new one, so I have to remove it. Yeah, This is a plastic, I don't know, a metal clip. Yeah, it's a metal clip. The old one, it's already here in the center center console, so I don't need to use this one anymore. It came from the trim cover I bought from eBay. So I can install this one now. So first you connect the harness, the wire connector, so you can hear the clicking noise, and then you route the wire to the back of this trim cover. Maybe you can't see it easily, but it's just yeah. So you just need to put it at the back, so it's not going to tangle with other parts inside. Okay, and then you need to start from the top. Yeah, make sure it's aligned. Yeah. Okay. Then ready to put the screw back on, the 2 screws. Okay, it's locked in place, both sides seated properly. As you can see, there's now a trim. I have now a cup holder. That's it, and a proper 12 volts socket with a cover as well. And the last thing I need to do is install this one on the top. So you need to make sure these 2 parts here should be sitting properly first on the notch. Just like that, and then slowly like that, and that's it. Now I have a rear trim cover with a cup holder. That's it.